Hey everyone. Welcome back to IT Next channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Windows Update files in Windows 11. If you're running low on disk space or just want to clean up unnecessary files, this guide will help you do that. Let's get started. First, open this PC icon. Open Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Move down and find Software Distribution folder. Click to open. Here open the Download folder. Now here are the downloaded Windows files. So, select all of them and delete. So that's the easiest way to delete Windows Update files in Windows 11. I hope it has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. See you next time.